Hello, my name is Madeline. I've been making natural products for about 6 years, and today I will demonstrate how I remove makeup with my coffee bar and how I use my shea butter for my face. Now, the best time to use shea butter is at nighttime, so when you wake up, your skin is all nice and glowy. But if you have oily skin, the only thing you need to do is not use a lot. Don't use a lot. And I feel like a lot of people shy away from shea butter because they don't realize that shea butter is a sealant. If you're sealing your dry skin, of course it's not going to be working in your favor. You have to seal the skin when it's hydrated and with whatever oils you want. Now, my shea butter already comes with beta-carotene, sunflower oil, and vitamin E, so you don't have to seal your skin with anything. It already has everything in it. But if you have like an oil routine where you're putting vitamin E or argan oil in your skin or jojoba oil in your skin, you apply it first, then you use the shea butter as a sealant. So you know me, I gotta come through with the little stories. My mom came here from Florida and her skin is profusely dry, like so dry. And I'm just like, Mom, you can't have dry skin, cracked skin, and you're in my household. Like, I make products for this. Like, put some shea butter. Now, I was gonna give her a little massage because my mom has arthritis in her legs. So I decided, hey, let me just go ahead and do a treatment on your legs. I bring the shea butter, forgetting to tell her that I'm gonna do it myself, and she proceeds to put the shea butter on her dry skin. If this was my milk moisturizer that's like a hydrator, it comes with water in it, more power to you. Put that straight on your skin and you will have the most beautiful glow and moisturized skin. But this is just shea butter, and shea butter is a sealant. So she was basically sealing her dry skin. So I had to come in with my little spray bottle, wet her a little bit, and then throw the shea butter on top, massage it a little bit, and she became a shea butter believer. Now, you know, I am an avid believer in allowing kids to express their creative side. So I had to let her play with my face a little bit, play with my makeup because she can't put it on herself yet. So here's Maddox painting on my face. This is my coffee bar, a very large version of your coffee bar. If you would like large coffee bars like this, just let me know. In this soap, I used about 70% shea butter, and the fatty acid profile of shea butter makes the bar super creamy and moisturizing. So this is the beautiful cleanse that I achieved with the coffee bar, right? I'm just gonna, one more time real quick, because when it comes to makeup, I really like makeup on my skin. Neck, wash it off. For those who don't know, shea butter is a sealant, right? I put all the nice vitamins and beta-carotene in the shea butter so that you don't have to. But let's say you have an oil treatment that you're doing, like a vitamin E oil treatment or argan oil treatment, whatever oils you like for your face. Right after you wash your face and it's brand spanking new, those who have an oil routine, this is just argan oil and vitamin E that I have here. And you apply it to your skin. Boom, boom, boom. Just like that. Okay. Now, this is a very light oil. And then you come seal it with the shea butter. Now, the best time to put this shea butter is right at nighttime when you're doing your night routine, because when you wake up in the morning, you get all the benefits. It has already soaked into your skin. Now, shea butter is just like Vaseline. It's a sealant. So it seals whatever is already on your skin. So if your skin is dry, that is not it. You want to damp your face, put something on it, or just buy mine that has everything in it and apply a little bit right before bedtime. This is about it right here. Spread it on your skin and do like a light face massage. Always up. Always up. Always up. Now, the way I make my butters, it's a nice little blend that will absorb into the skin during the summertime, so just give it some time. My butter comes with food grade oils. I'm using it on my lips. Like, get out of here. Now, if you want to apply makeup, you want to wait like 15-20 minutes and then apply your makeup. You should be fine. All skin tones can use shea butter. If your skin is oil prone, or if your skin is oily, use a little bit. You don't have to use a lot. Use a tiny little bit that works for your skin, because shea butter can benefit every skin type, all skin tones. I'm gonna give you guys another beautiful example. I took off my shirt and now you guys can see like the difference between my skin over here and my skin over here. See, this is like a little bit of shine. Anyways, I'm gonna do a nice little example of my shea butter right here. Now my shea butter is just sunflower oil, shea butter, and vitamin E. And I used a lot of vitamin E in here, guys, so go in. Like, I used a whole bottle of vitamin E. Here's me moisturizing. Grab your argan oil, throw some on the tattoo. You're gonna grab some shea butter and shea butter, baby. It's not too greasy. It's not like on my clothes. Clean skin again. Shea butter. You see that? Look, if you're against shea butter, I think you should double think it and just do more research and use it. Try it, but try it your own way, you know? Shea butter is great for the skin. There's enough evidence to prove that. So why not give it a try? Even if your skin is oily, just learn how to use it for your skin.